Good morning, everyone from Charlotte, North Carolina. This is Coach Tam with Coach Tam Fitness. And today I am in the kitchen because I have a tip around meal prep. Now, normally when I get a new client, they have heard, and we've all heard, right, that the way to set yourself up for success is to go to the grocery store, get all your food over the course of the weekend, and then plan and prep your meals for the entire week. But listen, some of us have really hectic schedules. So if that does not work for you, I have a tip. So here's what I've started doing. I do go to the grocery store on the weekend and go ahead and pick up my items. But I prep my items for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And there's something about hump day. Once I get there, I have the energy to go ahead and plan and prep for Thursday and Friday. It's a little bit easier breaking it up into two parts instead of trying to do everything over the course of the weekend, right? Because it can take hours to plan and prep your meals. So when you're planning and prepping, you want to take advantage of these cool containers. I've seen these at Walmart and Target. They have a fork and a knife already built in. I actually picked these up for less than $2. And then you are able to prep your meals, put them in the refrigerator, and then you can just grab and go. If you found this tip helpful, please share it with your friends out there in social media. If you have any questions about how you can set yourself up for success, feel free to drop those in the comments and I'll come back and do another video just for you. I hope you're having a great weekend so far. Talk to you soon. God bless.